In this video, I am going to show you how to find or search jobs in LinkedIn. So let's see how you can do it. At first, you need to log in your LinkedIn account. Then you need to select here this jobs icon. On the left side, here you will get this search box. Here you need to search the job title, skill or the company. For example, I am looking for marketing related jobs. Then I do write down here marketing, then select. Okay, well, then I have get some marketing related jobs. Now from there you can filter all of these things. If you look at there, these jobs drop down. If you select here, then you'll get whether you're looking for people, jobs, post, companies, school, groups, or many more. And here you can see the date posted. That means you can want to get job of first month, first week, first 24 hours, whatever you can select, and then you'll get the trial number of results. And here is also the experience level, whether you're looking for internship, entry level, associate, or anything. And here is company, then it's remote, easy apply. Okay, but most importantly, if you want, you can get or do all of these things with these all filters tab. So would like to suggest you to click here all filters tab. Okay, now you can do everything from this filter. Like filter only jobs or people post schools that I already talked about. So you can select from there. Okay, then you can select here sort by most recent or most relevant. Then date posted, experience level you can select from here, then company. If you want, you can customize or search any specific company by clicking here add a company. So you can just write down the company name, then it will appear here. Then here is job type, whether you're looking for full-time contract or internship, you can select from there. Then the job conditions, remote, hybrid or on-site. Then I would like to suggest you to turn this easy apply on. Okay, well, then you can select from here the location, the industry you can select, job function, the title. So all of these things you can just filter from there. Then you can select just show result. So in this way you can get or you can search the jobs in LinkedIn in the easiest way. I hope you understand this whole process.